Rara Avis Series Number 1, Shelter in Your Fingertips, Kabanata 49, Sage's Confession to Pietro. Sage! Si Pietro sa kabilang linya, halos magmakaawa. Pietro, I said, trying to hide the brokenness of my voice. Makinig ka sa akin. Dahil sa kanya, natanto kong may buhay pa bukod sa buhay na to. I don't have to live in the past. I am in the present. And there is a future. Alam kong sinabi ko na ayaw kong sabihin sa kanya ang nararamdaman ko. Ayaw kong maging makasarili. Gusto kong maalala niya ako bilang babaeng minahal niya. Na hindi naman siya mahal. Babaeng muntik na siyang pinatay. Masama ang trato sa kanya mula noon hanggang ngayon. Walang kwenta. At hindi karapat-dapat na mahalin. Pero ngayon, nagbago na ang isip ko. I want to be selfish. For the last time. For now. Just this once. Just before I leave. I want to be selfish. If he doesn't love again after me, then that's what I want. I want him to remember me. I want him to love me and never get over me. I want him to always think of me. That's what I really want. I'm not really a good person. I am a selfish bitch who wants it her way. I want him to have so hard hang-ups on me, he could never love again. Sage, ako muna ang magsasalita. Nanginig ang boses ko. Sumingap ako at namaril. They showed up again. I threw a grenade and hid. I just want you to know that I'm in love with you. Hindi siya nagsalita sa kabilang linya. Wala akong narinig. It was so silent that I feel like he cut me off. Nagpatuloy nga lang ako. Wala na akong oras. Nung bata pa tayo, mahal na kita. But I'm in love with you now, as a woman. Bumuhos ang mga luha ko. Huminga ako ng malalim para makapagpatuloy. I entered the paramilitary because I feel like I failed to protect you that day. I live each day as a soldier. For years, I never thought of another life but being a soldier to protect anyone who needs protection. I bit my lower lip and tried to shoot again. Natamaan ako sa dibdib. Pinalis ko ang luha ko at muling nagpakawala ng grenade. It exploded and there was silence. I didn't think about the future. I just live each day, thinking that each day might be last. Hindi ko napigilan ang paghikbi. Pietro, nung nagkita ulit tayo at minahal ulit kita, I started to hope. I hope that there is another future of me and you. Nakaramdam ako ng hiya pero alam kong wala nang puwang yun ngayon. I need to say everything. Na baka pwedeng magpakasal tayong dalawa kung gusto mo lang kalaunan. I inhaled sharply. Nauuwi ako sa pamilya ko. Ipapakilala kita sa kanila, tapos magiging boyfriend kita. At kalaunan magpapakasal tayong dalawa. Magkaanak. I felt naked with my own confession. For the first time in my life as a soldier, I have thoughts of living a different life. All because of you. All because I'm so in love with you. I laugh in between my tears. Ayaw kong aminin sa'yo ito noon kasi alam kong mahal mo ako. At ayaw kong matagal bago mo ako makalimutan. O baka hindi mo ako makalimutan dahil lang alam mong mahal kita. I want you to live thinking that I never loved you anyway. That I was a bully. That I never defended you. That I hated you. So you could forget me easily. I laugh again. But I guess I'm selfish. I want you to know about my feelings. Ayaw kong maulit ang nangyari noon na nagkalayo tayong dalawa nang hindi mo nalalaman na mahal kita. My lips trembled. I beat it then continued. Na kaya ako pumunta kanila Gerson sa gabing yun para humingi ng tawad. Because I hit him after he insulted about your parents. And I was about to get disqualified for using my skills to hit other people. I laugh. I have always been in love with you, Pietro. Kung bata pa tayo, bansot ka pa, mahina ka pa, at ngayon ulit, na ibang-iba ka na. Hindi na ikaw ang Pietro ko, pero ako, sayong-sayo ako.